everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will continue to do the card tutorial of the sunshine frame. In last video I made these two cards with these color paper strips. So for these papers, the whole frame were left. I will use them for today's cards. We crafters never waste papers, right? For these two colorful background, I will use pink and green card base. They looks very nice match, right? In this video, I will make chic cards, so I use foam sheet. Use foam is much easier and faster to make chic cards get thickness. Also, I use plastic sheet. If we have no plastic sheet, we can use plastic film such as from plastic bag. Now let's start. I stick foam onto the base. Same to do the second one. Okay, two card base was ready. Many crafters buy in my shop know we have many kinds of beautiful stickers. The sticker of this one can also used for card sticker and nail art. We have total 8 colors of this series. Okay, let's start. I fill different colors into different space. Each color is pretty and shining to make the sunshine like rainbow colors. It is difficult to make surface very clean, but no worry, this surface will be covered, so not worry about it. And for these two sweethearts, I will use different stickers. For this pink one, I use transparent stars. But for green one, I use silver heart stickers. See, all these stickers are so beautiful. Next step, let's carve by this plastic sheet. Okay, now stickers are sealed and can be shipped. So this sheet card almost done. Very beautiful. See to the black one. Well, let's do the fourth step to cover the color paper. Very beautiful colors. This is pink one. And this is black one. Okay, last step, I use these sentiment stamps to decorate these two cards. One sentiment I selected for this card is "You are enough." The other is "You are not alone." I stick the tags with foam tape. This black card I make a little different. Stick the tag more next to the bottom. Now two cards are ready. I hope you like the cards and my tutorial. These cards were made in last video. The four cards are used the same paper. They are all beautiful. Okay, it's today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.